you doing, guys? Richard from Yes I Can. And today's topic is upset customers. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's talk about upset customers. I'm going to keep this short. I'm going to keep it sweet. I'm going to keep it simple. If you call me and the majority of quality builders out there, and we try to have a conversation with you over the phone about your project, and we try to figure out what your budget is on that project, okay? Do not get upset with us. I'm going to explain to you why we do that now. Okay, and I'm going to explain to you the different types of customers that we get. So we'll start with the different types of customers that we get. And these are the ones that usually get upset. First customer, you speak to them on the phone. You ask them, look, what would you like to get done? Oh, I just want to do the whole house. When can you come out? Can you tell me a bit of information? Oh, I think it's better if you come out. I need to know sort of what you need done. Oh, look, if you don't want to come out, don't worry about it, I'll get someone else. Right? That's your first type of customer. Second type of customer, they'll give you the information about what they want done. You'll ask them the budget. It's a $100,000 job. They've got a budget of 40 to 50 grand. You explain to them that it's a $100,000 job. Oh, yeah, okay, just come out anyway. Right? These are the two customers that usually get upset with me. And look, I don't like upsetting anyone. No business owner likes to upset his customers. Or even if you're not a customer, even if you're just sending in an inquiry, none of us want to upset you, right? But you got to understand, when I'm getting 150 to 200 inquiries a month, and tolls and fuel, it cost me, and for my company, nearly $10,000 a month in fuel, okay, and nearly $4,000 to $5,000 a month in tolls. Not to mention the time and the cost of staff time. So when I come out to see you, you've cost me a few $100s. By the time I spend, 2 or 3 hours with you on site, the tolls, the fuel, the time, the effort of coming out, you've cost me a significant amount of money when you don't even want to spend that much money. All right? All we're trying to do on the phone is to scope the job, whether it fits within our, what we can and cannot do for you. Because I want to be transparent and honest with you. I'm not going to say yes to something that I don't want or I can't do. I also want to figure out whether it fits your budget. There's no point me coming out and giving you all these ideas and spending all this time with you if you can't afford my services. The best thing I can do, look, I spend more than 50% of my time giving customers advice over the phone. We are not a company for everyone. We rarely do rental properties. We rarely do, a flip property where you have to renovate and sell. Why? You're not going to get your money back on us. Our Yes I Can project group is primarily for people that want to live in their house for a minimum of 15 to 20 years, and they don't want to do the same job over and over again. We are the quality company. And for you customers out there that we call you and say, oh, can you call us back tomorrow? And then you stop answering the phone. That's rude. I got to sit here. I usually do this about between 6 and 7 o'clock when people are home. I'm sitting here after hours contacting you. The least you can do is say, sorry, I'm no longer going to require your services. I have no problems with that. I had a customer yesterday just hang up on me. Yeah, hello? Who am I speaking to? I said, this is Richard from Yes I Can. You asked us to call you back. Hangs up on me. I can't give that customer a review or that person a review. All I'm saying is, guys, as a company, I need to know what I'm getting into. We might not fit your scope of work in terms of, the kind of work we do or the size of job that we do. We may not fit your budget, but we need to establish that before I waste my time or my staff's time and your time. And don't get upset with me when I do that. It's a matter of economy. I can't afford to see 150 to 200 people every single month. I just can't. I'll spend more money driving around Sydney than I would making money on customers that we do get. And I just wanted to make this video very short and simple. Please don't get upset with us. We love you. We love everyone. Every person's in a different situation. But please understand as a company what we have to do. Contact us, guys, 1-800-300-937, or visit our website, yesican.com.au. And until next time, see you then.